Hello everyone, we're Team Nixus, which is Latin for pressure. We are a team of biomedical engineers who have designed the future of compression therapy. So compression therapy is often used to treat a disease known as lymphedema, which is an incurable condition that involves the buildup of fluid in the lower extremities of the body. It is most likely to affect those who either have a genetic predisposition for it or those who have undergone some form of cancer therapy. There are 10 million people right here in the United States who suffer from the disease, and 250 million people worldwide.
The current market for compression therapy is $2.9 billion, billion with a B. However, a lot of this money is being wasted because only 40% of patients are actually using the devices that they are being prescribed, and we wanted to know why that was. So we worked alongside physicians and found 9 major complaints with the current devices. We found that they are unhygienic because they are not machine washable, so they end up stinking. Additionally, they are uncomfortable. They're basically big, bulky airbags that are wrapped around the patient's leg. And worst of all, they are extremely restrictive. The device needs to be plugged into the wall with the person sitting down for up to an hour, 2 to 3 times a day, every day, which totals up to 1,100 hours every year for the rest of their life.
Our competition isn't smart, mobile, or high-tech, and this is unacceptable. The Nixus device brings this technology into the 21st century.
Our device addresses all of the 9 complaints of the current device. Of great significance, our device is comfortable, in that it is lightweight and form-fitted to the leg. It is easily washable, as you simply throw the inner lining into the laundry with the rest of your clothes. But most importantly, our device is liberating. Therapy treatments can be applied while going about your daily activity. Patients are no longer bound to a chair. Our innovation was inspired by soft robotic technology, utilizing a trainable metal that has yet to be used in the medical field. Our trained metal, shaped like springs, contracts when electrical current is applied, tightening the bands around the leg. Tested and proven, our device is resilient in strength and durability. In addition to all this, we have developed the first smart compression device, connected directly to your phone to track treatments, set reminders, and adds patient accountability. Thank you for your time, and welcome to the liberating future of compression technology.
You know, what I found interesting, you have a spring that appears to be a part of the secret sauce of how this thing works. And so anytime you train metal or heat treat or some other type of treatment of metal, it's got to be extremely precise. So how far along are you in the development of that technology?
Exactly. We have tested out 5 different prototype actuators. And the way that this has to be done is correct. Specific temperatures at annealing times in order to get the properties that we have achieved in our actuators to make it flexible. And
so you've got a nice repeatable process that's been...
Yes, it is repeatable and has been done.
Great. This is yours, not off-the-shelf technologies. You didn't take some existing...
Oh, no. We literally went out, talked to physicians, found this problem, and then just looked online for what is something that can be flexible, because it needs to be flexible and lightweight to work. And we were inspired by soft robotics, because soft robotics, a lot of times, are used in the military. And so we were like, we need to take this and bring it to the medical field, because the current devices are completely outdated.
Okay, so the design is entirely yours?
Entirely ours. We're working on a provisional patent.
Do you need any FDA or other approvals to bring your products to market? And if so, where are you in that life cycle?
Yeah, so we're working on getting a pilot study and then do a little bit redesigning if necessary, and then go to clinical trials to get FDA approval, possibly through the 510K pathway.
So you mentioned you're going to do pilots, but have you tested this with actual patients?
So I've tested it. We haven't tested it with a lymphedema patient, but I've tested it myself, and it just feels like a nice little leg massage.
In addition, we've had 2 physicians actually seen our first prototype and have evaluated it, and as far as giving us critiques to improve it. And as our current design and our mathematical model for making a therapeutic treatment, it is functional. And yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.